guys, this is Preeti this side and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So this is going to be a birthday surprise vlog. There are my sweethearts who are my neighbor, so they are like equivalent to my own sisters, so they both have their birthdays like in alternate days, like one have in 9th November and one is 11th. So we're gonna celebrate both of their birthdays on 10th. So আজকে আমি যাচ্ছি একজনের gift কিনতে. So I'm very excited honestly because I have thought of her gift, like I have thought of her gift to be like equivalent to her. So let's see how it goes, and I hope I find what I actually want for her, and you guys will get to know what actually I have bought for her. So before packing I will show you guys, and I want you guys to come along. Okay, so now we are going to buy gift for Shonu. Shonai's jonno gift we have ordered like some makeup stuff. I will tell you guys by the time, and Shonur jonno let's see what we can get. So jacchi kothay, we are going to Foriyapukur, right? Foriyapukur to buy probably soft toys only, but let's see if any variety is there, then definitely we'll go for that. And yeah, apatatho etai plan ache, and by the time I'll update you guys about the plan. Okay, so gift done. We bought a Doraemon, a mini Doraemon. I was actually finding that only. She's very fond of mini Doraemon. Like Doraemon, she's very fond of Doraemon. So I bought one mini Doraemon and one soft toys for myself, which is Pikachu. I was also finding it for a long time, but I haven't bought any soft toys for a really long time now, and the light is very bad. Anyways, so ekhon prochondo khide peyeche amar. I just realized that I haven't ate anything and just randomly came. Ma kheye esche, so we are going to Domino's after a long time again, so for having pizzas. Mummy is having chocolava now, and I have two things for myself: garlic bread, masala wala probably, and this one is corn and cheese pizza, my all-time favorite, Mama's favorite as well. So we want to devour this very 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 soon. Hi guys, so I'm back home. So before packing the gifts, I thought I should show you guys what I've bought for them, because pack হয়ে গেলে তো আমি আর খুলতে পারবো না, তো তখন আমি দেখাবো কি করে. And secondly, মানে আজকে ছোট জনের জন্য কিনতে গেছিলাম, বড় জনের গিফট আমরা আনিয়ে নিয়েছি. So I told you guys that I have bought some makeup stuff from online, so that is not much. So she likes very simple things, but still she's fond of makeup, not like me. So I have purchased this shadow palette, which is of I think 16 shades. This have 16 shades, which is beautiful, and all the colors are equally gorgeous, and I think she'll like it because she is like fond of colors, fond of makeup products, so I think she will like it. And the second thing is that this brush set, I thought this will be very thoughtful gift, and as she's growing up, class 10 e udbe, so that will be a very thoughtful gift for her because she's growing up and she's fond of gifts, fond of makeup also. So I think this is thoughtful for her. And one chocolate for both of them, because like this is my rules: whenever I give gift to anybody, I have to give a chocolate and include a chocolate along with it. So this is one for the big one, মানে বড় জনের জন্য এটা, which is makeup stuff only. And for like I have to clear one confusion, যদি তোমরা কনফিউজ হয়ে যাও, that is why I am telling that বড়র বার্থডে হচ্ছে কালকে, which is Tuesday, and ছোটর বার্থডে হচ্ছে not Wednesday, Thursday. So they like ওদের বয়সের ডিফারেন্স আছে, but still they are like birthdays have been alternate days. Even I am getting confused. They have birthdays in alternate days, so to celebrate both of their birthdays merging up. So their parents have chose the date of 10th, which is the middle date of 9th and 11th. It will be like really fair to both of them. So বড়োর বার্থডে কালকে and ছোটর বার্থডে হচ্ছে like Thursday, Wednesday. Okay, তো ছোট জনের জন্য I have told already that I have purchased Doraemon. So here it is. Very cute Doraemon. I found it very cute. But আমি এই পুরো প্যাকেট শুধু দেবো না, বিকজ এতখানি প্যাক করতে গেলে ইট উইল বি আ মেস. আই নো দ্যাট ভেরি ওয়েল. সো আমি ডোরেমনটাকে শুধু প্যাক করবো. সো আই হ্যাভ টু স্যানিটাইজ দ্য ডোরেমন ফার্স্ট, otherwise I won't touch it even. And secondly, যেটা আমি নিজের জন্য কিনেছি, I also told that I have also bought a soft toy after a long time. So like I couldn't control myself, and it is so cheap there because Hathi Bagane everything is very cheap and one-stop shop for stationery and kids gift shopping or their decorative shopping. তো আমি ওখান থেকে কিনি, যা কেনার হয় I just buy from there only, be it for gifting another person or for myself as well. So for me, is also being told earlier, I bought one Pikachu. It is very cute. It's very cute. I will also sanitize the Pikachu first, then I'll place this Shuji on my bed because I'm very fond of Pikachu. Like I haven't watched Pokemon in that level যখন ছোট ছিলাম, but yeah, তখন funny lagdo. That is why I used to be very attached to Pikachu. I was very fond of Pikachu at a time.
The next day.
তাড়াতাড়ি খোল সোনাই. দেখো ওই জন্য আস্তে আস্তে ইয়ে করছে. Hi guys, so checking in after like almost a day, probably almost a day. So like I was chilling in my sitting area and আমাকে পুরো ঘরটা সাজাতে হবে because it's too late now and today is the day, like it's the D-Day and I have to decorate my room and I'll decorate the space, I'll arrange the sitting portion and balloons and whatnot. So I have quite a few works for that and mama gonna help me with that thing, first thing. And second thing is that yeah, you guys saw the reaction when I gave her gift. Like বড়কে আমি যখন গিফটটা দিয়েছি, that was a reaction, and ছোটকে আজকেই দিয়ে দেবো. Though her birthday is tomorrow, like on 11th, still we are celebrating today, so I'm gonna give her a gift today only. And now I'm getting late, it's already 5 and I have to make this room ready by 6:30. I hope I'll be able to because mama is gonna help me, and that's all I have the agenda for now. I quit. Let's try another one. এতটা বড় হবে? पकड़ो। उठो।
ধোঁয়া দেখে আমি বুঝেছি ও ফেটে যাবে।
We are almost done with the balloons, see. But one thing to mention, I thought all these gorgeous colors are gonna turn up, but none of them turned up. I'm so disappointed because I wanted this pink, this white, this green, but none of them turned up. Actually, they were like small balloons, but all these turned up. I'm glad they turned out, and we have to manage through all of these things only. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. She helped me a lot in like tying all these balloons because I'm not comfortable and I neither know to tie all these balloons. So thank you. Thank you. And I think it's almost 6 and we'll wait for their coming. Okay, so this is what the setup looks like. I think it's pretty much cozy and good looking. Okay, so the extra light is because of my ring light. This provides great light, honestly. Avoid that thing, please. This is the sitting area. Here the cakes will be kept. Like only one cake is there, and all the balloons, all this will go there. For timing, they have kept here, and this is what it actually looks like. I think it's pretty much good.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so fine. This is all the scenario basically looks like. This is the cake where you have these 4 candles, and I'll just lift them up. So this is the sitting area covered with balloons. This is the tag, and also I have some snacks here, and this is how it looks like. And to be precise, here is the fairy thing again, my starlights. So this is the condition, like the final condition looks like. Okay, so my mother have worn this beautiful cotton top, this chunk type chain. It is like old
Junk jewelry.
it's junk jewelry, like it's old, not new, with this beautiful cotton wrapper, again very designer, and some great jhumkas, kinder jewelry. So this is like that. After my mother, here's my quick OOTD. I'm wearing this cute cotton top from Urbanic. It is written mom here with very simple makeup and rings in my ears and simple jeggings for a simple celebration. চশমা খোল, ঢোক 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 ঢোক, জুতো খোল, জুতো খোল।
চোখ বন্ধ করে থাকবে, তুই ছাড়, ওটাকে ঢোকা, সেকেন্ড ওয়ানকে ঢোকা। চোখ বন্ধ রাখ, চোখ বন্ধ রাখ, চোখ খুলিস না এখন। দাঁড়া 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 দাঁড়া,
আসো আসো, জুতো খোলো,
ওয়েট আ মোমেন্ট, হিয়ার ইজ অ্যানাদার ওয়ান।
খোলো খোলো, এদিকে আসো আসো। ওকে, চশমা পর, চশমা পর, এদিকে আয়, এদিকে আয়, দাঁড়া, চোখ খোল, নিচে দেখ, চুজ এনি। সামনের উপরে দাঁড়া 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 দাঁড়া, ওয়েট, এটা না পড়লে ঢোকা যাবে না।
কানের পেছনেতে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, না পড়লে ঢোকা যাবে না, পার্টির রুল। চোখ বন্ধ করো, তুই ঢোক, তুই যা,
এটাকে দে।
তুই ঢোক, চোখ বন্ধ, শোনাই?
হ্যাঁ,
ওকে, রেডি?
আস্তে পাপোশ।
ওকে, যখন বলবো তখন খুবই, ঠিক আছে? 1 2 3। আরে আরে আরে, ও মাই গড, আমি নিয়ে নেবো। থ্যাংক ইউ। আফটার কী ছিল এটা, পার্টি ছিল, গেট টুগেদার ছিল। আফটার গেট টুগেদার স্ল্যাশ পার্টি সিনস। হ্যাপি বার্থডে। ইয়েস, পাত্তাই দিল না। ডিনার ইস চিকেন কোথায়, চিকেন রুটি। Hi guys, so like it's 11:30 at night and I'm sitting in my bed being all comfy with no makeup at all. I'm done with my post makeup skincare as well. So yeah, that is all I had for the party. Like we all partied, like it was a home party and we all partied like after so damn long time. Like majhane it was all disaster and many things were up on our lives and so we couldn't make it. Like I had plans on my birthday, I had plans on my pop's birthday. Like pop's birthday was be successful a bit but I was not. So I always wanted these two birthdays should be celebrated in a grand way and I will only plan for it. So I really think they liked it and you can see their reaction also, like her reaction as well. But ছোটো জনের রিয়াকশনটা একটু স্ক্যারি ছিল স্টার্টিংয়ে because she is not comfortable on the very first go. She is comfortable like ধীরে ধীরে, তো পরে at the end, towards the end and in the middle of the celebration also she was like bit comfortable and she was like okay with all of that. But towards the starting she is not very comfortable with anything, be it her birthday gift also. So she is like that on the very first, but after that comfortable হয়ে গেছিল. So that was all about the celebration and all, and it was a great evening after a long time honestly. And right now the condition is really horrible, but I show you guys. Practically not that bad condition as well, but this is the condition right now. All the balloons have stuck at one place and this is intact. The candles are here and this is the place. Ring light has been shifted there a bit, the plug point has been removed. There is a lot of thing happened there. So never mind, it's already night and I don't think I should extend this vlog anymore because this was all about their celebration, once pre and once post birthday celebration, which was all successful I think because they liked it and they were continuously talking about the like decor, and that's what makes me happiest because if I make something for somebody and if it makes them happier and happier than the happiest, then there's nothing special than that. So if you guys like this video, like this vlog, surprising vlog, it was quite a hectic vlog I know, but yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Leave your views in the comment box below because that's important, and press the bell icon to not miss any update about my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.